consultation isn't just about talking. It is the spiritual art Baha'is use to build unity and transform communities. Consultation stands at the heart of Baha'i community life, embodying a process that is both a spiritual discipline and a practical tool for collective decision-making. Far from being simply a method for discussion, consultation is a sacred practice founded on principles that foster harmony, build trust, and produce outcomes that reflect the collective wisdom of a group. The Baha'i writings describe consultation as a means to rise above personal opinions and prejudices, allowing participants to focus on seeking truth and the common good. This approach encourages members of a community to listen attentively, express their thoughts frankly yet kindly, and consider all perspectives with an open heart and mind. It is a process that requires humility, patience, love, and detachment from self-interest. In essence, consultation aims to unify diverse voices and insights so that decisions made reflect not just the will of a majority but the best collective understanding. When a group consults effectively, its expressions become more than points of debate. They become seeds of unity that nurture the growth of communities. The spiritual foundations of consultation are drawn from the Baha'i teachings, which emphasize that God's guidance underpins collective efforts to solve problems and advance society. The Universal House of Justice has repeatedly stressed that consultation is indispensable to the functioning of Baha'i institutions and communities, serving as a divine gift for human collaboration. Practical examples abound of consultation helping resolve delicate community matters, whether in local Baha'i assemblies, regional councils, or even within families. In consultation, no voice is silenced. All are invited to contribute, and this openness often leads to creative and balanced solutions that might not emerge in competitive or adversarial settings. Participants are encouraged to speak honestly but without contention, and to detach from personal views once ideas have been shared. This detachment is crucial, as it enables the group to transcend division and grow toward unity. An important dimension of consultation is its applicability beyond formal decision-making sessions. It is a life skill that fosters respectful dialogue in daily interactions and serves as a powerful tool to manage conflicts peacefully. In Baha'i community life, consultation is often contrasted with argumentation. Whereas argument seeks to win, consultation aims to unify. This distinction changes the atmosphere in which issues are addressed, transforming discussions from arenas of conflict into spaces of mutual discovery and collaboration. Consultation also strengthens spiritual qualities among participants, such as generosity and listening, courage to share one's perspective, and the readiness to cooperate for the common good. Over time, these qualities build trust, increase solidarity, and enhance the overall capacity of communities to act effectively. The principles of consultation include approaching consultation with love and reverence, seeking truth rather than victory, being willing to change one's views, encouraging diverse viewpoints, and maintaining unity after decisions are reached. These principles are embedded in the Baha'i writings and have been tested through decades of community experience worldwide. Leadership in Baha'i institutions is exercised through consultation, where elected bodies gather the views of their constituents and strive to guide their communities with wisdom and insight that emerge from collective deliberation. On a practical level, consultation sessions follow a pattern: a clear presentation of the issue, open sharing of thoughts, summarizing the ideas, and reaching a decision based on consensus or the best collective judgment. The atmosphere is kept respectful and focused, with an emphasis on spiritual qualities such as detachment, patience, and kindness. Beyond the Bahá'í Faith, the spirit of consultation holds valuable lessons for society at large. In an era marked by polarization and conflict, the Baha'i model offers hope through a system that encourages inclusion, dialogue, and shared responsibility. By applying consultation principles, groups can move beyond entrenched positions to discover common ground and creative solutions. In summary, consultation in Baha'i community life is more than a process. It is a spiritual art that nurtures unity, leverages collective wisdom, and strengthens community resilience. It transforms challenging decisions into opportunities for growth, learning, and deeper fellowship. Far from being a mere tool, it is a sacred gift that reflects the spiritual reality of humanity's interconnectedness and the power of love to overcome discord. This dynamic method of collective action continues to inspire Baha'i communities worldwide and serves as a timeless model for peaceful, constructive collaboration anywhere. Reflect on the principles of consultation and consider how these timeless teachings might inspire greater unity and cooperation in different communities.